Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix we can't activate Windows on this device as we can't connect to your organization activation failed. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing we can't activate Windows on this device as we can't connect to your organization activation, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to open the command prompt. For that, just click on the start menu, then type here cmd, then right click on that, then click on run as administrator. Here you need to type on command slmgr space / skms space kms 8.ms guides.com, then hit enter, click OK, then close this window. By typing exit you can close this window. Again you have to open this command prompt, again you have to run as administrator, then you have to type the second command slmgr space / ato, hit enter, then click OK. After completion of this, once you have to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix we can't activate Windows on this device as we can't connect to your organization activation. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.